Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. So this video is the first in a series for a new playlist called Live Edition. So in this playlist will pop up on my YouTube channel, and all the videos in this playlist are going to focus on solving addition problems and strategies for solving addition problems. So this video is going to be focused on solving one-digit addition problems, specifically for students that haven't mastered addition and subtraction fluency. If you're saying to yourself, well, this is really, really easy, this is too easy for me. I mean, my channel is for everybody from kindergarten to 8th grade. I demonstrate various skills. It's for all students on all levels. So this video, the strategy I'm going to show in this video, some of you might not need it. It might be easy for some of you. It might be more difficult for others. But if there's one person that benefits from this video, it was worth me doing it. All right. So one-digit addition. Five plus 4. So let's say you're at the point where you have not yet mastered addition fluency. You're a student in the primary grades. You haven't mastered being able to add numbers in your head. So a strategy you can use for that is you can draw items for each number and count the items. So 5 plus 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw five X's, or it could be circles. It really doesn't matter what the item is, but 5 something. We'll go with circles. I'm going to draw 5 circles here, and then I'm going to draw 4 circles down here, and I'm going to count the total number of circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. So since we were adding 5 plus 4, I made 5 circles next to the number 5. I made 4 circles next to the number 4, and then I counted the total number of circles. So that's the strategy right there. Now I'm going to do another one. Shades are going to come off for this next one. Three plus 1. All right, so I'm going to draw 3 circles next to the number 3. I'm going to draw 1 circle next to the number 1. And I'm going to count the total number of circles. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. I counted really slow on that problem. You don't need to count that slow. Okay, 2 plus 5. So on this next one, I'm going to draw 2 circles next to the number 2. I'm going to draw 5 circles next to the number 5. And I'm going to count the total number of circles. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 equals 7. All right. Now on this next one, I'm going to draw the problem. If you feel confident to try a problem on your own, you can pause the video, give it your best shot, and then unpause the video to see if you did it correctly. So again, if you want to try this problem on your own, pause the video, give it a shot, and then see if you did it correctly. Feel free to unpause the video. All right, 2. So I'm going to draw 2 circles next to the number 2. I'm going to draw 3 circles next to the number 3. I'm going to count the total number of circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right, here we go, another one. 4 plus 4. Again, if you want to try this problem on your own, feel free to pause the video, give this problem your best shot, and then unpause the video to see if you did it correctly. So 4 plus 4, so I'm going to draw 4 circles next to the number 4 up here. Since we're adding the same number, I'm going to draw 4 more circles down here. And I'm going to count the total number of circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is our answer. 4 plus 4 equals 8. I'm going to do one last example problem here. And I'm going to end this video by saying a few words. Six plus 2. So I'm going to draw 6 circles next to the number 6. I'm going to draw 2 circles next to the number 2, and I'm going to count the total number of circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. So again, if you have not yet mastered addition and subtraction fluency, this is a good strategy to use, and it'll work effectively really for any student that's able to count from 1 to 20. You'll be able to use this strategy effectively to add and subtract one-digit numbers. But again, I want to definitely encourage you to, work on your addition subtraction fluency. If you're in the primary grades, if you're in grade 1 to grade 3, do addition flashcards every day. Subtraction flashcards. If you're not able to get addition subtraction flashcards, go online and just look up some online games. But everything builds off the previous skill in math. If you're able to fluently count from 1 to 20, you'll be good at adding one-digit numbers. If you're fluent with adding and subtracting one-digit numbers, it's very easy to move to 2-digit numbers. If you're fluent with 2-digit numbers, it's easy to go to 3-digit numbers. If you're fluent with your addition and subtraction, it makes it a lot easier when we get to multiplication division. So everything builds. So even though it is possible to solve these problems without having your fluency mastered, it definitely mastering your addition fluency and getting to the point where you don't have to do any steps and where it's automatic. You can just look at the problem. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Getting to the point where it's automatic and you don't have to think about it, it makes it a lot easier once we get into more complicated problems and more challenging skills in math. So definitely encourage all of you to to really work on building your addition fluency and on building your subtraction fluency, because everything in math definitely builds off that. It's setting the foundation. To build a strong house, you need a strong foundation. But that's my video for today. I'm done preaching. New thing I'm going to do, especially as we get back into school, I'm going to conclude each video with an exercise just to get people up moving around. And if you're sitting at home watching, you can do the exercise with me. So to wrap up this video, I am going to do 10 jumping jacks. So I'm going to turn my camera to the wall so y'all can see me. I might need to move the table back a little bit. All right, 10 jumping jacks to end this video right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Healthy body, healthy mind, right? All right, have a great rest of the day, everybody.